Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and one of the things that I get asked or that I see often as people having problems is playback of videos on their PCs. And there are several things that you need to know about video playback. I see a lot of comments of people saying, well, since I have Windows 10, video playback is bad. I can tell you that Windows 10 has nothing to do with it. In the majority of cases, it's other things that are happening. And what can be happening, I'll give you a few tips of things that you might try to do to make sure that video playback is smooth. First, make sure that your internet connection can support easy, especially on HD video playback. Make sure that your connection is not just fast enough, but stable enough. And that can be done by testing it with speedtest.net. Speedtest.net will actually check your info, and you'll be able to, of course, check out the speed, the internet speed that you have up and down. What is particularly interesting here is look at the line that it does. Do this several times and look at the line to make sure that it doesn't actually have variations in it. If there's a lot of little variations where the speed goes down and then goes back up and then goes down, there's some instability in the connection, and there might be something wrong with the way you're connected to the internet. It could be at the level of the internet service provider. It could be at the level of the your connection with your router on your wireless connection. Remember that wireless connections have different speeds. If you're on an old router with an old protocol, you might actually have slower connectivity than on more modern devices. A lot of people are still using 7, 8, 9-year-old routers that are outdated and really need to be changed. Same thing with the ISP, the modem that your internet service provider. You should, after 4 or 5 years, ask your internet service provider for a brand new modem. The new modems have new protocols, new ways of connecting, often actually making things better. So these are all things that you need to check out. It's very important. A lot of it has to do with connectivity, much more than anything else. And that is something that you might not see because you might not understand that your internet service provider could be crappy, or your connection to your router or modem could be bad because maybe outdated technologies. The other thing to check for when video playback is bad is that your computer isn't actually using too much of its CPU time with other things. How do you check that? Right-click on your taskbar, go into the task manager, and here in performance, make sure that your CPU isn't stuck at 100% all the time. If it is, then maybe your computer is working just too hard, and you can actually see what processes use the most CPU by going into the processes, and you can click CPU, for example, and it's going to give you by order what is using the most CPU. Maybe you can do something about it. Maybe it's something that's running in the background that you didn't know of that's actually hogging your system, and it's using so much of the power of your system that it doesn't have time anymore for processing the video playback. The other thing you can do if something is happening and your computer is a little slow there, in the task manager, once again, you can go into the startup tab. Make sure that you disable the maximum amount of things that you don't want. So for example, Cortana, I don't want to have. So this is one thing that I don't want to have. Here, let's see what's enabled. Download Assistant Logitech. I don't want that. Then what do I don't want? What do Xbox services? So pretty much everything else is okay for me. So make sure that you have the minimum amount of things that are enabled at startup. This will actually lower the amount of devices, the amount of apps running in the background and hogging your system. The thing not to overlook, and especially if it's slow, bad playback, or sometimes weird playback, green screen instead of video, or weird artifacts, is to make sure that in the device manager, and you can right click, go into device manager, right click the start menu, go in device manager, that your drivers, your video drivers, the display adapters as they call them, are updated to the latest drivers that you can find. If they are too old, there could be a problem, because a lot of the videos in the playback use actually new protocols that sometimes actually refer to functionalities of the graphics adapter that might be inexistent on older drivers, or just because your computer's display adapter is too old. Once again, if you have a very old computer, remember that there is a time when the PC can't actually follow. And as time goes by, yes, that PC will be slower. Yes, there will be things that are going to get difficult to really work well. So just remember that a very old computer can, in effect, be at a point where you need to change it. So these are little tips you can check for and look at. But I would say the number one problem most of the time is your ISP's connection in some way, somewhere, is not good enough for what you're doing, and has, of course, a lot of buffering going on, so the video doesn't play well. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you for watching our videos.